Hi guys, today I'm going to make chicken curry. So I'm going to show you the ingredients for chicken curry. For chicken curry, I'm going to use 2 bay leaves, uh, 2 small cinnamon sticks, and 2 small cardamons. Also, I have 1 petal of curry leaf. Over here, 5 cloves of garlic and a small size ginger chopped up, and 3 small onion has to be a little bit big, so you slice them in cubes. I have coriander powder, turmeric powder, and red chili powder, and some garam masala. I also gonna use some chicken masala. Half teaspoon of chicken masala. Since I have these spices, I only gonna add half teaspoon of chicken masala and half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon chili powder, red chili powder. So this is 2 tablespoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So these are the ingredients, all these ingredients that I'm going to use in my chicken curry, all these. For Malayali audience, 2 bay leaf, 2 ഏലക്ക ചെറുത്, 2 കറുകപ്പട്ട ചെറുത്, മഞ്ഞൾപ്പൊടി 1 ടീസ്പൂൺ, അര ടീസ്പൂൺ ചിക്കൻ മസാല, അര ടീസ്പൂൺ ഗരം മസാല, 1 ടേബിൾ സ്പൂൺ മുളക് പൊടി, 2 ടേബിൾ സ്പൂൺ മല്ലിപ്പൊടി, ഒരു ചെറിയ പീസ് ഇഞ്ചി കട്ട് ചെയ്തത്, 5 അല്ലി വെളുത്തുള്ളി, 3 സവാള ക്യൂബ് പോലെ കട്ട് ചെയ്തത്. To make chicken curry, first I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 spoon വെളിച്ചെണ്ണ, so I'm gonna put the cardamom in here, bay leaf, and the cinnamon sticks. Into this curry leaf, let's add garlic, then I'm added already the ginger. Okay, now I can add the onion. We want the onion to cook faster, so add some salt. So after sauteing the onion, we can add all the spices. We wanted to add all the masalas. This way, when you add this masala and fry it, it gives you the taste, extra taste and the color. So let's fry all that of the masala. Not for too long, because then the masala gonna get burned. So into this we can add the chicken, the whole chicken. So I have the whole chicken here. Now we're going to marinate all that in here. Let it cook for 20 minutes. So let me close it with the lid. First we're going to close it with the lid, and from the chicken water comes out. So after that we can find out how much more water we need to add. And lid, I use the same pan for cutting the chicken, and also I'm using the same pan to cook. You can see without adding any water, there's plenty of water, but still we have to add some hot water. I'm gonna use 2 cups of hot water to cook the chicken. Now since the water is boiled, this is gonna cook faster. Just enough for the chicken to sink. We don't want to add too much water, then it's going to be too watery. I have enough water now. We want enough water for the chicken to drown in it. Now we can close it and let it cook for another 30 minutes. Just checking on the chicken. At this time you can taste the gravy a little bit to see if it has enough salt. Otherwise you can add it. Enough salt. Spicy. Good enough. Just close it again with the lid. Just wait for that 30 minutes. Trust me, this is a great chicken curry.